it's like this. My arm will be straight from my shoulder to my elbow. And here I have to make an angle of 90 degrees. Okay, so basically from here I cannot break this. Okay, it must be straight. So what I have to do is always to turn my feet. Okay, I turn the other side, straight from the shoulder to elbow, 90 degrees, and I turn. So from here I will be here and turn. Turn, okay? So this is basically in theory, but in the real fight I cannot do this because I am too much open and it can make a difference. So in the real fight I have to be very close from here to here, okay? Bam! Bam! Take this. Un peu fort. From here I will turn my feet and hit. Again, from here, I turn my feet with my shoulder straight and I push all my body in the hit. From here, okay. For the left punch, when I'm here, when I hit him, I cannot get him because I am too far, okay? So what I have to do is to turn my feet, and when I turn, I can touch him, okay? So it is the first reason why I have to turn my feet all the time. The second reason is, if I am now 100 kilo, my arm is 20 kilo, so when I hit him, it's maybe 20 or 40 kilo. But I want it will be 100 kilo. So to do this, I have to turn my feet to give all my body in when I'm hitting him. From here, I turn, not this, I turn. And the same thing for the right punch. From here, I cannot get him. If I turn, I can. Okay? So one reason about the distance, to close the distance. And the second reason, to put all my body in the hit, okay, in the punch. Here. Prends le pot. From here, I want to hit him here from down direction, okay? So if I do this, he can defend because it's too much open. So what I have to do is to be very close. My elbow will be always in this position, never like this. From here, I have to turn and to go up. I turn and I go up. I turn and go up, okay? So basically, in a real fight, it will be like this. One. Take this. From here, I go down, my elbow to my body, and I go up. On this side. From here, when I make my defense, look, my hand is here, not over here, because if I do this, maybe it can continue and enter. Okay, so here to the end. And we will see in the other DVDs, when he will attack me like this, but with a knife, it's very dangerous if I do this. Attack here because he can enter. Also, this part of the hand is very sensitive. Okay? When I do this, maybe he will open his hand and drop the knife, the gun, the stick, whatever. Okay? So now from the yellow belt, I get used myself to make defense all the time here and never here. We said in Krav Maga we have to make defense and attack in the same time. So easy, it will be like this. Attack doucement. One. You see? I turn my feet and I hit him again. One. Now from here, we can continue to hit and run, or let's see another finish. From here, I will do this. One. With only 2 or 3 of my fingers, I will come here to his elbow. Not a good grab, just this. And from here, I will take it down and make it turn, like this. One, and automatically I have him in my arm, and I go to the check, choke. Okay? Again. 1, 2. Okay? For this choke, we will explain it later in other DVDs, but I have to put my elbow like this. Okay? When I'm here, I do this on him. Okay? Again. 1, 2. okay? So the exercise is like this. You attack me, 1, 2. This side is attacking me, 1, 2. Let's do it faster. You're attacking me, shoot. This way. Let's see defense from the left punch, okay? He hit me like this, okay? He turned, he hit me. So basically the first move, attack me, I have to get out the danger. Again, I get out. On this side, I get out. Okay, with my shoulder, I go this way. And now, to do it more safe, okay, I will add my hand. Again, okay? It's a short move. And now, one of the most important rules in Krav Maga, it is to defend and attack in the same time. It will be 1 and 2, but we say in the same time, so it will be 1. You see? I enter on my body. Bam! Again, 1. From here, I will continue. To make him closer than me, I will push my hand in his elbow here, and I will hit him, grab his hand, and turn. Again. 1. I put my hand in his elbow, I give him elbow, I grab my hand from here, and I turn with all my body, because if he's very strong, I cannot turn. So now with all my body, shoulder, legs, everything is going to turn. Pop! Okay? Let's do it. Now faster. He attacks me, please. This way. He's attacking me. We'll do this for the right punch. So it will be the same, but not really. Main droite. Defense with my shoulder. With my hand to be more safe. And in the same time, I will hit him, not in the face, here. And you know why? It is a good question to know why. Because a lot of students are doing this, they don't know why they have to hit here and not here. For the left punch, we hit here. Why? For the right punch, we have to hit here. The reason is very simple. From here, this hand is close to his face. So when he's attacking me with left punch, I can reach his head. But here, this hand is very far from him. Attack me, I cannot reach him. Although that I turn my finger, I cannot reach him. So I have to do this, go here, under, and enter here. One, very strong. He's attacking me, pop! I enter. This side, he's attacking me, in one way. Hold the exercise, he's attacking me, this way. He's attacking me, and I control him all the time. Okay? Now, in the real speed, defense against the right edge. Matai. This way. Sonaya. Now, we will see the defense about the oak, against oak, okay? With our hands, we can hit someone with the fist, but also with fingers. And you have many possibilities. When I hit someone, I can choose this part of the body, the neck, and the eyes. When I hit to the neck, it will be like this. My hand, and a little bit like this. Never straight, like this. And from here, it's the same thing for the fist. I have to turn my feet, always, to close the distance. So from here, I can hit him like this. Bam! On this side, bam! Okay? And this kind of hit, it can help me to take it down. From here, if I hit in this angle, 45 degrees, I can take it down. From here to here. Again. With my fingers, 45 degrees, and I take it down. Okay. I can also hit with this part to the neck, from here to here. Bah! And this side. Bah! Also, I can hit with all my arm, or this part, or both together. That means from here, I can hit like this, or I can hit like this, or with the both. 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? Or a very big hit, I push this hand here and this over there. Bam! Again, bam! Okay? From here, I push this. If the guy is very tall, okay? To reach his neck, I have to push this down, go up and take down, like this. And I can, from here, continue to a choke. In this way. 1, 2, and go to choke. A little bit faster. Okay? Over it with the hand. We see this with fingers. We see this. Now let's talk about this. From here, you can hit this part of the head. You see, when a guy is a baby, a child, always, all along his life, this part of the head is still a little bit open. But when you grow up, it's closed, but it's still open, okay? So for children, it is very dangerous to hit here. Because here, this part of the head is open, okay? So when I hit, it will be like this. With this, like this, here, bam, okay? And I could kill someone just with this, okay? From here it will be 1, bam, okay? Also, I can choose to hit him here. Here, why it is a good hit? Because you have a lot of blood over there, okay? So when I hit him, it will hurt him, okay? But also, with the blood, he cannot see. So he cannot continue to fight. So from here, I hit him here. Okay, here and here, okay? Also, you could choose to hit him here, okay? Here, with this part, you have a lot of nerves, okay? And they are all crossed over there. So with only one finger, I can stop him, okay? Try to go on, essaye d'avancer. Stronger. He cannot. Because here, I can stop it, okay? It is a very good point also to hit him. So I can hit like this also. Bam! Okay? And continue to overswing. Bam! 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 Okay? And we are just working now with our hands and our arms. 1, 2, 3, and go to choke. Okay? It was about the part for